What if I told you they've finally built an AI that thinks, not just generates, guesses, or mimics? It actually reasons. It decides. It evolves. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. Let's talk about the continuous thought machine and why it could be the future of intelligence. Forget transformers. This is different. Since 2017, we've used transformer models. They revolutionized AI with scale and speed. GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, built on this design. They read input, generate output, and move on. But they don't pause. They don't rethink. They don't really think. Just process instantly. There's no memory, no time, no inner debate. That's where the continuous thought machine changes everything. Introducing the continuous thought machine, CTM. Meet the CTM, a new AI architecture. It doesn't run in fixed layers or steps. Instead, it mimics how human brains think. It reasons with memory, time, and intention. Created by Sakana AI in May 2025. The team includes former Google Transformer pioneers. These aren't hobbyists. They built the original tech, and now they're rewriting AI's entire future. How does CTM actually work? Let's break it down simply and clearly. Each neuron in CTM has short-term memory. It remembers when and why it last fired. It doesn't process input just once and forget. It decides whether to activate or stay quiet. This happens across internal steps called ticks. Neurons wait, think, then choose when to respond. The result? AI that processes with internal timing. CTM, not faster, just smarter. Unlike GPT, CTM doesn't rush output. Simple tasks, it uses fewer ticks, less energy. Complex tasks, it thinks longer and deeper. This dynamic behavior mirrors human decision-making. Sometimes you react instantly, sometimes you pause. CTM does exactly the same, on purpose. That means smarter outputs, not just faster ones. A real shift from reaction to reasoning. It doesn't just think, it coordinates. There's another genius feature, neural synchronization. Groups of neurons align to agree when to fire. No controller tells them, they self-organize decisions, like musicians in perfect harmony without a conductor. When enough neurons synchronize, a burst of attention. That attention is laser-focused on important details. CTM learns where to think and how long. It's attention with purpose, not just probability. Early results. Promising and powerful, CTM isn't just theory. It's been tested. In maze-solving tasks, it gave step-by-step moves. No positional data, just images and real reasoning. In facial recognition, it mimicked human eye focus. Eyes, then nose, then mouth. Just like us. It's not mimicking. It's reasoning through images. Confidence levels? Surprisingly accurate, naturally calibrated. It knows when it's sure and when it's not. So where does this model really shine? Think of tasks that require complex reasoning. Medical diagnostics with uncertainty. Legal decision support with layered facts. Robots navigating real-world environments. Teaching itself through experience and memory. CTM's structure is ideal for adaptive thinking. That's where transformer models start to fail. Challenges? Of course. CTM is new. And yes, it has issues. Training is complex. Timing is hard to tune. AI tool chains aren't built for tick-based models. Debugging neuron behavior isn't easy yet. Simple tasks? CTM might be slower than GPT. But innovation always starts with friction first. With time and tools, these hurdles will shrink. We're witnessing a real turning point today. Not just bigger models, but smarter ones. AI that knows when to pause and reflect. That's not mimicry. That's a form of mind. CTM might not replace transformers right away, but it introduces something more profound: adaptation. The future of AI won't be scale alone. It will be how well it understands time. We used to ask, can machines think? Today, CTM answers with a quiet yes. Not louder, not faster, but more human inside. This is the kind of tech shift that matters, because when machines can reflect, pause, and adapt, they stop being tools and start becoming partners. Welcome to the future of true intelligence. The age of continuous thought has just begun.